Hey, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev, and today I'm going to do one of my newer subscriptions to Hippie Daisy. I was a little disappointed in last month because there wasn't really stuff I could use, but I like to give a company 2 or 3 months to prove themselves to me. So this one just came. It says fragile on it. A little tag, welcome to your December, hanging with the Nomies box. And that's what caught my eye about it, because nose, I love a little nose. Oh, I've already sliced it open. Oh, what is this? Oh my goodness, well this is cute. An oven mitt. I wouldn't let Bob use it. This would just be hanging up for decoration. Let's see. This is. You want to see? Look at the cute gnome earrings. Now these are cute. Put it right there to wear maybe some of these videos. This is cute. These are little LED wire lights. That look cute up there with my little village. They've got, you can see, little Santas on them. I don't want to take it out because it requires AAA, AA batteries not included. 3.66 feet total length. White LEDs, ultra slim wire. That would look cute in like a, just the thing I want to put in, like a clear little container thing and have it lit up. And 10 pieces. Keeping, another keep. So far, we're scoring. Oh, chilling with my Nomies. Keep. Another. Chilling with my Nomies. Now, I might give this away. There's no way a white towel is going to last if I put it in my kitchen in a motorhome. Now, let's see what it looks like. It might be some kind of a mug thing. Lou's probably wondering, what's that noise? Speaking of Lou, I woke up during the night, and she has never done this to me. She was on my chest, just right there. And then she moved down and she was kind of feeling my stomach. That's what she does to Bob every night when we get in bed. She's never done it to me. And she stayed there for the longest time because I wasn't going to move. Don't know what's getting into that girl. Well, here's a cute mug. I don't drink anything in mugs, so that might be a cute giveaway, too. There's a thing of Swiss Miss marshmallow. Is that marshmallow hot chocolate or... There's a peppermint stick. Yeah, that's what's in it. So that's cute. Now this will probably go in a giveaway. I just mailed off a package today that I could have put it in. Well, we'll see. We'll see. You never know what I'm going to end up doing, but I'm going to keep it in this because my packages have a habit of things breaking. So, the mug, the lights, Santa lights, the earrings, ornament, oven mitt, towel. Pretty good because there's only, these 2 things that I might not keep. That's still a might. So, I'll keep these earrings out. Take these 2 things out. These 3 things out. So, what you guys think? Well, try them another month. I'm happy with this month. So comment below, share, like, subscribe. And I hope you're all getting a lot of nice, exciting surprises this month. I am. I love you all. Bye.